Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Bitfinex account is an important step to enhance your account security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Bitfinex account. Visit the Bitfinex website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Shark to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy or receive SMS codes. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions provided. Step 5. Complete the setup. If using an authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your app. Enter the verification code generated by the app or received via SMS to confirm and activate 2FA on your account. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Bitfinex account, adding an extra layer of security to protect your assets. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and backed up.